Namaste. Welcome to the massive open online course. I am Professor Amita Dotto, Head of the Department of Dance and the Dean of the Faculty Council of Studies in Fine Arts and Performing Arts, and also as the Founder Director of Performing Arts Therapy Center. I am your course coordinator for the Performing Arts course in Kathak. This foundation course in Kathak is based on the CBCS syllabus by UGC for the undergraduate degree core course Performing Arts Dance. It may also be taken as elective by students of other subjects. The course focuses on Kathak, which is one of the major classical dance forms of our country. Anchored on the Hindustani classical music system and performed across the Indo-Gangetic Valley for centuries, Kathak is now a popular dance form performed throughout India and also across the globe. A systematic and detailed practical training in this intricate dance form and a knowledge of its history and aesthetics is carefully conveyed in this foundation course. We will begin with the Tal and the Laya. We will start with the abstract dance presentations called Nritya. Then we teach Abhinaya or communicating, that is Nritya, in which expression comes in. We will teach you how to perform on the stage, and then we come to the theory. Starting from the origin of Kathak, we go on to the development of the various gharanas or styles. Kathak is now also being performed in films and through choreographic items, which is a marked change from the earlier presentations. We complete with a revision of the entire course, which will help you to handle the examinations. The 20 modules of this course will be delivered over a period of 6 weeks, roughly covering the working days of half a semester. For the first 2 weeks, we have 4 modules per week, and then for the next 4 weeks, we have 3 modules which will be uploaded per week. Moreover, a time slot will be reserved for interaction with the students. Each module has the following 4 quadrants: a video lecture demonstration of 25 to 30 minutes delivered by the faculty, an in-depth write-up on the same topic together with a glossary, assignments will be given, and there is also a PowerPoint, MCQs for self-assessment, exploratory exercises for discussion in blogs and assignments for evaluation by the faculty will also be given. The course is a self-learning module and the students are expected to devote 10 hours approximately per week, which will include thorough understanding of the module, participation in the discussion with the subject experts, and also going through the list of papers and other references, and will adhere to the submission deadline of the assignment provided by the faculty. In order to be eligible for Certificate of Achievement, the student has to take a proctored examination as announced by the national coordinator. The examination will have MCQs and short answer type questions which will be conducted simultaneously at all the centers. Students will earn 4 credits based on the choice-based credit system and receive a certificate upon clearing the examination. So students, I wish you a joyous and wonderful learning experience. Thank you.